Greetings, everybody. Meteorologist and weather prognosticator Chad Merrill taking you through the latter part of April. And first of all, snowfall totals below average across the southern parts of the Mid-Atlantic. Richmond, Virginia had 7 inches of snow, but the average is 10 inches. But you move north into places north of the Turnpike. For example, Williamsport, Pennsylvania averages 36 inches but had 54 inches of snow. So quite a dichotomy in snowfall across the Mid-Atlantic this past winter. Stream flow is actually not too bad. We actually have stream flow in the average range across the Mid-Atlantic as of the middle of April, except for northwestern Pennsylvania, where prolonged dry weather has led to below average stream flow in that particular area. We do have stormy weather heading across the Mid-Atlantic over the next week or so. We'll detail that. Some of the information found on page 23 of the Hagerstown Town and Country Almanack. Storm system producing snow across the nation's midsection. This particular storm system, seen on water vapor imagery as of Tuesday morning, will move eastward and bring a significant cold front across the Mid-Atlantic. Isolated wind damage with a line of showers developing across the mountains of western Pennsylvania between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. Wednesday, April 21st. And then that will move to the I-81 corridor. Scattered wind damage expected between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. as that front pushes east. And ultimately, we will have numerous wind damage reports with downed trees and power lines once you get along the I-95 corridor. Between 3 and 6 p.m. is the optimal time for these storms to move through the I-95 corridor Wednesday, April 21st. In the wake of this particular storm system, wind gusts of 45 miles per hour will compound problems across eastern Pennsylvania, Maryland down towards the Delmarva, winds gusting to 40 miles an hour along the I-81 corridor. And at the same time, thunderstorms are exiting the coast. Snow will be falling in the highest peaks of the Alleghenies. We expect 1.5 inches of snow, perhaps some graupel as well, and that could cause some slippery travel. Also expecting a couple of showers to develop in the wake of the system that could produce some small ice pellets in western Pennsylvania and even as far east as the I-81 corridor, winds gusting to 30 to 35 miles per hour. Much needed rain area wide will develop late Saturday and end early Sunday. We're looking for generally 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch across the Mid-Atlantic, a little bit more once you head towards the I-95 corridor to the coast, where 1 to 2 inches of rain will be falling. Well, what's going to impact May's weather pattern? First of all, we have the typhoon Surigay that will be exiting the Philippines. It never did make landfall, but the energy from that storm will push north and develop into an area of low pressure, or transform to an area of low pressure that moves towards Alaska that will buckle the jet stream. At the same time, the final stratospheric warming event occurs and the polar vortex finally diminishes. That will send episodes of some cold weather and some storminess into the U.S. Here is the look at Bishop's running events going forward through the weekend. Saturday, September 24th at the C&O Canal Towpath. Sunshine for the spring cleaning races, temperatures in the mid-40s to start the race, lower 50s to end that race. On Sunday, Bishop's has a running event in Woodbridge. Rain will be ending before the start of that race, mostly cloudy, temperatures in the mid-50s to the upper 50s by the end of that race. And a virtual race, this one is called the Manassas Runway virtual race on Sunday, looking for mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the low 50s in the morning, lower 60s in the afternoon. If you want to see what we're up to at the Hagerstown Town and Country Almanack, including our latest information with regards to some of the partnerships we've established, go to almanac.com. If you'd like to order the 2021 Hagerstown Town and Country Almanack, you can do that on the website as well. Have a great week.